Hey everybody, Malehanger here again. This is the how to cut your wraps to size video. Basically, you're going by the information given in the online written material, which covers wrap sizing. There's a direct hyperlink there which brought you to this video. So what I'm going to demonstrate again is how to first cut your self-grip wrap. As you can see here, it's marked self-grip inside. I've got links where to buy it online via the forum. If you happen to live near a Target, Super Target, or Bi-Lo store, depending on your region, those are mostly in the United States, you can buy this stuff by the roll. Again, this is the 2-inch wide roll, which is what I tell everybody to get. It's universal as far as fit and matching up with the hanger goes. So I'm going to set the camera down and turn it around. And then I'm going to cover the very simple process of measuring things out. And again, you definitely want to use a ruler. Do not just eyeball it, especially if you're having your wife or girlfriend cut this for you. You know how women are with measuring things. Sorry, ladies. Just a friendly jab there, nothing personal. Now, I am stretching it as I'm pulling it out, but you don't want to stretch your self-grip while you're measuring it out to cut. Real simply, just measure it out, lay the ruler on top. For myself, I'm cutting a 6-inch long strip. Got the ruler laid out on top of it. I'm lining my pair of sharp scissors. Again, I emphasize sharp, it'll make things easier on you with the edge of the ruler, or the end of it. Make a little cut there. And finish the cut straight across. These scissors are not as sharp as they should be. I need to buy some more. And there we go. Now this is also going to double as a stencil for me, so I'm done with my ruler. This is a piece of sweatshirt, or as some of our UK friends may call it, a jumper shirt. It's actually a sleeve. This is 100% polyester, which is great for people who may be allergic to cotton. I'm not, it's just what happened to be on sale at Walmart when I bought this shirt that day, so I snatched it up. I think I paid around $8 or so for the shirt, and you'll probably get dozens of wraps out of this, if not more, and that'll last you years, or however long you end up being a hanger for. I know some of us are less ambitious with gains, which is no problem. Your average guy who finds weight hanging only wants about 1 inch in length, so that's fine. Again, I'm just using my self-grip wrap as my stencil, and I'm cutting along the outside edges of it. You don't have to worry too much about accuracy on your cuts. Just close to perfect is good. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just carefully holding the self-grip on top of the sweatshirt material. Cutting a rectangle around it. Again, my scissors are not wanting to cooperate. There we go. Cut, cut. First you don't succeed, try again, right? And then I'm coming on to the end here. Finishing the cut. And if you slip, your self-grip moves, just move it back, it'll be fine. I've actually got it free from the sweatshirt sleeve, so I'm just going to throw that aside and finish my trimming. Got about 1 inch of scissor blade to work with, so it's taken me a little longer than it might if I had some better scissors. Note to self, go to Walmart and buy some more scissors. I think I actually tried to sharpen these, but that didn't work out too well. Sometimes you gotta leave things to the experts. You get the general idea. I hope so anyway. I try to make everything for Malehanger how-to content as simple as possible. Now I've got approximately a 6-inch long piece of sweatshirt. It's close enough, doesn't have to be exact. In fact, on the ends it's slightly off, but that's okay. Slightly stretchy. Each piece should last you several weeks to several months. If you sweat a lot, you may want to wash it once every couple weeks or so. And as I've said elsewhere, self-grip, very adhesive, very durable stuff. Sticks to itself really well. I get each one of these strips to last me a month or so. So each roll, you know, they're $3 or so a piece after shipping, maybe $4 or a little more. But they're definitely worth the money. They last. Each roll will probably last you around 6 months. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy hanging, happy gaining. See you on the forums.